This week we had good progress on the fence. We went all over to remove the concrete that was under the previous fence, removing the fence itself and creating this one. We're missing the cover of each of these posts. We're gonna have a molding on the side, like a quarter round, and it will match all the cedar along the fence. So we expect to finish in a few days more. In the garage, we almost finished installing the sills of the windows, and in the next days we're gonna also continue doing the siding. Thank you for watching, and we'll see us next week.